And welcome back. Here's a live look right now outside of Hagerstown, Maryland. We see a few more clouds. Actually, earlier today, cleared up pretty nice this afternoon. Sun came up, and that's really when you felt all that muggy weather. Some of those clouds have moved through. Just had a couple of light showers or sprinkles west of I-81. But look at that. Today's high, 83 degrees. And yes, it is the middle of October. Right now, not too far, 79 degrees. Winds are fairly light at 4 miles per hour. And that dew point, when you're into the upper 60s or right around 70 or so, that's when it's extremely muggy outside, which is what we had today. The high temperatures all around the region. We've got 80 in D.C., 82 in College Park, looking at 84 in Germantown. If you head out to the west, western Maryland, Cumberland, 81 degrees. So it was warm all the way around the area. And as I was talking about before, those dew points, that's just how much moisture is in the air, and that's how you feel when you're outside. It just feels muggy. Germantown, Leesburg at 70. If you look at the little key here, that's very humid. When you get to the dark red, that's oppressive. We do have a small pocket out in West Virginia that was actually extremely humid, but things are about to change. Not tonight. Tonight, relatively dry, still going to stay warm. We're going to have winds from the south, so we're going to see right around those mid-60s. A little bit cooler as you head out to Oakland, looking at 51 degrees tonight. Here are the couple of things that we're watching. One of it, tonight we just have a mix of some clouds. Sometimes we're going to have some clear skies, other times some more clouds. And then tomorrow, that's where we're going to get that cold front coming through. So we're looking at some strong winds associated with it, as well as some showers and storms. And then right behind that, breezy weather and much cooler temperatures, which is what you're most likely to see this time of the year. So as we take a look earlier, just going back earlier today, you can see some of those clouds have made their way through. A couple of small showers and sprinkles that we can see in western Maryland and West Virginia. But as you head out towards Ohio, you can see some of that rain and that low pressure system. That's what's making its way to our region. So as we take a look at our jet stream, it's a beautiful, colorful map showing a light, really blue colors out west, and that's where we have a trough. It's really the cold air. Some of that's going to start pushing our way while we're still rather warm all along that east coast. So even for tomorrow, as that cold front moves through, you can see temperatures really 70s down to the 80s up and down the east coast. As that cold front comes through, there's going to be a sharp difference on the back end. We're looking at a lot more winds and temperatures really getting pretty cold. Nighttime or morning temperatures 40s and 50s. So as we track this out, it's not going to rain all day long, but with a cold front, typically have some showers ahead of it, which we can see if you're out in western Maryland as well as West Virginia. Early tomorrow morning, we can have some showers. And then as the day goes on, we're looking at late morning. Here we are around 11 o'clock with some showers. Throughout the day, it moves east towards D.C. By about midday or so, that's when it's going to move through the area. And then as you can see, right around 5, 6 o'clock, just sliding east of D.C., but on the back end, actually mostly cloudy skies. So it's going to be pretty fast moving throughout the day. And then once it's gone and out on Sunday, we are left with some pretty good conditions with some sunny skies. So as for us tomorrow, with that front coming through, we are in what's called a marginal risk. That's the dark green color. Most likely, we don't really have a lot of instability, but what we are looking for with that front is some heavier winds and some gusts in the afternoon. So as far as rain goes, it's not a huge rainmaker, but we are looking at anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to even really probably close to about 1/2 an inch if you get into an isolated area where you get a storm that comes through in the afternoon. But overall, fairly light throughout the entire region. So for tomorrow, before that front moves through, we actually are going to get temperatures rising into the mid and upper 70s with those gusty showers. And then tomorrow's temperature-wise, 67 in the morning, dropping down to 54 by 9 o'clock tomorrow night. Around the region, Romney 73, Martinsburg 75, Winchester 74. And for your 7-day forecast, once we get through the transition on Saturday, we got windy, cooler weather Sunday, high of 63, and then nice sunny skies throughout the rest of the week. Nice and dry, slowly climbing back into the low 70s by the end of the week.